Hello friends, a very happy Pongal to everyone. In today's video, we are going to harvest in our garden for Pongal. So today we are going to do the harvest of Pongal in our garden. So come, let's go into the video. First we are going to harvest garlic from our garden. So these garlics are almost 2 to 3 weeks old. So let's harvest them. And it's very tight to pluck them out. So only this top is coming, no problem. First we will take out the leaves, then we will harvest the root. So for this it came. So good only friends, nice. And this also. So now we shall harvest the root. With the scissor we shall harvest it. So it has grown really big in size. See? Very nice. This also we shall harvest. So this is also very tight. So we will take the skin and all. See, it has grown very well friends. You can also try growing garlic in your garden. It will grow very successful. And this also. So now we have harvested garlic from our garden. Now we are going to harvest one herbal fruit also. This is called sodakatakali in Tamil. It is a very herbal fruit and it is very good also. It is a type of tomato only, but it will be like a balloon. Inside only the small tomato will be there. That thing we can eat it. It is very good for health. Not only that, we can eat the leaf, stem and root of this plant also. This whole plant is a herbal plant. So let's harvest 2. 2 is enough. And here. So if you see all over the plant, there are many buds and flowers also. So at the small stage it will be like this. And here also. So now we have harvested 2. So one green leafy vegetable, molakkirai. This plant is growing in our garden. On its own only it is growing. So let's harvest that also. See, in sambar we can put this. Now we are going to harvest 2 brinjals. So these brinjals are little bit small in size only, but no problem, we can put it in the sambar. It will be very good. So let's cut it. So it is very hard friends to cut it. So we have cut it. See, 2 brinjals. So in our garden, this bajji chilli variety is also growing. It is a type of chilli only. We can make bajji, that Indian food, using this chilli, as well as we can put it in sambar also. So let's harvest that bajji chilli. So it is big in size and very good also. Well, organic chilli. So I don't know whether to harvest this or not. I will discuss and laterwards I will harvest. So now we are going to harvest fenugreek from our garden. So fenugreek is growing very well. So these fenugreeks are about 7 days old. Let's harvest it. After harvesting, we should wash it off, and then only we should use it. These are all fenugreek green leafy vegetable grown organically. With the root itself we can harvest it. So this fenugreek green leafy vegetable is very easy to grow at your garden. So you can also try growing. Seeds you can collect from your kitchen itself. It is very good for health also, friends. So here many are there. After washing this, I will show you how much fenugreek we have harvested. In this pot some are there, but they are too small to harvest now. So let's not harvest this. So this much fenugreek we have harvested. Now we are going to harvest some mint also. So this much mint we have harvested, and it is very organic and the smell is also very well. So we have harvested mint from our garden also. Now let's harvest some betel leaf also. So for celebrating Pongal festival we need betel leaf also. So 3 leaves is enough for us, and laterwards if we need also we will come and harvest. So let's keep it here. So actually I took the stick of the coconut tree and I have kept it. This will go here and it will climb this side. Before I tied it in our terrace only, but I don't know how. But the wire got cut from our terrace, so it fell down. So now new type of system we are doing. So now we have harvested betel leaf also. So now we are going to harvest the sugarcane. Let's harvest it. So now we have harvested the sugarcane. So actually this is a small sugarcane only, but it is enough for us. The before sugarcane which fell down in the Manda cyclone was a very big sugarcane, but this thing is also good. We should not see the quantity or size, we should see the quality always in organic gardening. So this is the harvest of sugarcane. Thanks friends. Hello friends, a very good morning to everyone. So now we have harvested the sugarcane. I thought of harvesting the sugarcane for Pongal only, but due to the cyclone, the sugarcane broke down. So only we have harvested. But the sugarcanes are matured. It is big and thick only, and each sugarcane is weight only, and it is lengthy also. So I will cut it, and when after eating it, I will tell you the taste difference. Thanks friends, bye.